Okay, here's everybody. Kendall's being silly. Kendall!
Where's Kendall?
Get her, get her, get her!
Kendall! Where's Kendall? Kendall! Oh boy, she's getting fired up now.
Kendall, what are you doing?
She's doing that.
She's doing what?
You can get me.
Kendall, say hi, Mommy and Daddy. She's so distracted now. What are you laughing at, big boy? Say hi, everybody. Here I am. Ah!
I've been looking at you.
Kendall. This is her graham cracker dinner. Mom's so excited she's eating. You're being silly, and you're being silly.
Oh gosh.
I showed this.
Oh, you better put that away. I don't know if she's allowed to eat gummy bears, is she? Huh?
You want gummy bears, Kendall?
Yeah, what you think? Mom and Dad are so far away. You think we can eat gummy bears? Kendall, say hi. Kendall. She's going to follow those gummy bears now.